Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how you can change the card icon of the drone theme. Let's move forward. Okay. From the theme customization section, you need to click on here on the actions and then click edit code. And then you need to search here icon icon card, and you can see these two file icon card empty and icon card liquid. This two file we need to update this two file. Okay. For a card icon, I am using the icons count.com. I will add this link on the description. Okay. uh, let's use this basket. Okay, download icon, and we have to download in svg format. Yeah. After downloading this SVG, you need to open this SVG on your browser. Okay, I'm opening on my browser, and here you can see the icon. Now you need to click on the right mouse and inspect. Open the inspect element, and now you need to click over the SVG, the right click of your mouse, and edit SVG. Now you need to select all and copy all this code. Now go to your theme file, and here first let's update this card empty icon. Okay, put it here under the main icon and copy total class and paste it here. And now we may remove this the previous code. Okay, and now we need to update the main card icon. We'll do same for here and copy this icon class and paste it here, remove it and save it. That's it. The card icon should be changed now. Let's refresh. The card icon has changed, but the color is white. Okay, so we will have to update the color. We need to add just a line of CSS. I will add it on the description box, and you can see the card icon is slightly bigger, so we will have to resize it. Okay, let me set width and height with 40 pixel, height 40 pixel. Maybe we can 30 pixel is perfect. Okay, let's copy this few lines of CSS code and paste it base.css file. At the very bottom of the base.css file, you need to add this CSS code. And now you can see the card icon has changed. And we can do another thing. We can change the position of the card bubble icon. Yeah. So don't worry about this code. I will add this on the description box, and you can change this width, height, top, left of the cart bubble icon as your requirement. Okay. So the cart icon has changed, and you can see it's working. If we remove this product, you can see, yeah, there is a problem. Okay, let's see what's the problem here. Cart icon empty. Oh yes, another we have to add another class here. Sorry. All right, now everything should work, and I will add this code on the description box. Yeah, you can see the cart icon has changed. Thank you.